Hey everyone, today we're at BWS Spirits Woden. So we've got a walk-in refrigerator. So let's have a look. The entry is right over here. We have Buffalo Trident evaporators. There we have the coil back. Then the two evaporating units. See?
Hey,
Thanks.
so piqued my curiosity. So I did a quick item search.
Yeah.
It is a Dan Murphy's across the room.
Thank you.
So there's there's two evaporators, as you can see, with 8 fans on them, with like with sets of 4 fans on them, which makes about 8. This is actually very similar to the BWS Spirits store I actually have in Gungahlin, which I hope I might do next. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.